Kadalsi fatale ko ne wat bi nga waton fi mo nek ci yow ba legi.
Waaw bana.
Thank you.
Mr. Ba, good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can we proceed?
Thank you. Good afternoon, Mr. Ba. Now we left off from the part that you should provide the bank account number to the registrar. Now, you said you were instructed to deposit these monies into the council account back in 2018, 2019. Are you...
Nena hati 2018 2019 ngana dañ la digalon pour nga yobu xaliss bi ci account.
Wow.
Yes.
And are you still depositing the revenue collected and depositing it to the council account? Are you still depositing into the council account, or you're taking it to the cashier?
Nena fumne ni jamano bi nda ba legi ya ngi continue di yobu xaliss bi ci council account ci bank bi wala ci cashier bi nga ko yobu.
No, niko yobu legi ci bank bi ci cashier bi lañ dé fayé.
No, now we are taking this money to council.
Since when did that start?
Nena li kañ la doron wala kañ la commencé?
Suma mëne remember early 2020 or so. Wa suma mëne remember.
If I can remember well, I think it's early 2020 or so.
Okay. Now the invoice book that you will collect and the GTR that you will collect, are you or were you the one issuing these invoices to business owners?
Nena legi invoice yi nga xamne dang ko doy jot ci council ak GTR yi da yow sa bofa ya ko doy jot ci business owners wala borom boutique yi.
Wow, invoice mo collect su rega mako say mama ko issue as a business.
Yes, any invoice that I collect and sign, I am the one who used to issue them to the business entities.
And this is from 2018 up to date?
Nena li kon mu ngi door depuis 2018 ba tay.
No, for now, 2019, 2020, like start the issue.
I think
new invoice.
2019 to 2020, that was the time they started issuing invoices to us.
And then it's from 2020 up to date. 2019, 2020 up to date.
Then I can go to 2019 better.
Wow.
Yes.
Now for the big businesses, who issues the invoices to the business owners?
Then business yo xamne dañuy reuy wala big businesses kan mo dey issue invoices ci programme yi
bobo sun license manager bi wala sun supervisors ñoo ko issue.
For those our lancing managers or
the supervisors.
They are the very people who used to issue.
Now you for your zone, who is your supervisor?
Then I also soon one be can mo is a supervisor.
Small supervisor Amadou Sow, the serve in my area, came up for the serve in my area.
Amadou Sow used to serve as my supervisor in my area at Kemo.
Kemo Fatajo.
Fatajo too.
Okay, so now when they issue these invoices to the big business owners, then you as a revenue collector, you will collect, or they're the ones that collect those?
Now, invoices. Invoices I used to write the receipts.
So normally for the big businesses, depending on the volume, how much will they normally pay?
Then a legi business hamne dañu reuy wala dañ sakan nga xamne ñoom ñaata lañ defé
side general trading amna general trading 93,750
we have general trading for 96,300
amna 125,000 lool moy departmental store.
We have 125,000, that is the departmental stores.
So are there instances they will not pay the whole sum, or they will issue checks?
Da mu ngi laajte ndax am na jamono yoo xam ne duñ dee fay xaalis bi yëpp wala am na jamono yoo xam ne dañ dee joxe checks.
Waaw am na ñoo xam ne duñ la fay yëpp mun naa dugal part payment half of the amount du des ñu la ñëwal bés sangam oo ñu jox la check.
Yes, it do happen.
Check me, you another post-dated check.
Yes, it do happen.
And in that case,
yes, it do happen sometimes. They pay installmentally or they issue checks.
Then in that case, that's an invoice issued by the license manager or the deputy license manager, but you have to do the collection. So do you have separate recordings for that? For in case if they do not pay the whole amount or if they issue you a check, should be noted somewhere. Do you have records of it? Manager
wala sa supervisor jodo joxe invoice. Nena yow sa bopa so demé comme ya day jël lepp bi légui ñi nga xamné dañ dé duggal wala duñ dé mëna fay yépp wala duñ dé fay yépp duñ dé duggal wala ñu lay jox check da nga am place bi nga xamné wala pour bi nga xamné fofu nga ko dé recorder.
Non non bobu ku naka ku issue nak ada invoice bi mo amé everything ñun dañu la autoriser demal place sanga mu wara fay you go there mu jox la lu mu wara fay nga bind ko receipt. That are the
responsibilities of those who have issued the invoices, as I said earlier, the managers or the supervisors. Okay. We are instructed sometimes to say, go to someone or this man, he will give you an amount of these monies.
All right, so when you receive those monies, what do you do with those monies? Do you render accounts to your license manager that issued those invoices to that particular business owner, or what exactly do you do with the monies that you collect on their behalf?
No, the mother is cashier more favor, mom's more receipt.
I go directly to the cashier, make payments and have my receipt.
Now, will I be correct to say then you will have separate register for those big businesses and separate register for the collections that you will personally make?
Then I come for book registration for big businesses at house
Masava mo invoice munuma am register for you know. You must have a register for you.
I don't have register for that due to the fact that I don't serve them. It's only if I serve, that is the ones I have their registers.
Then we expect to have the number of those big businesses from the persons, that is the license manager and the deputy license manager. We expect to have the number or the list of business from those people, right?
Nena kon linga ko leral moy ñu ngam ne ñoo dé joxé wala moy manager si wala supervisor si ñom ñoo nek ñoo xam ne ñoo mëna xam nomba si wala ñoo mëna xam ñaata big business mo fi
wow boss ma sa invoice so lolu mënuma xam dara ma sa invoice ayu la xamal affaire
that invoice the invoice that I don't serve, I don't have any knowledge on them, but the ones I know is the one that I serve.
All right, that's fine. That's it for this issue. If any of the commissioners have any question for the witness on that particular issue before I move to the next, I have a few more.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ba. Maybe I did not hear you well. I thought you had said that the big businesses, their invoices are done by the manager and the deputy.
Nena mom dal kuna nelinga wahone business wala big businesses you some manager si land manager si wala supervisor si nyole de serve send invoice.
Wa lolu la wala mané business manager bi ak assistant mi ñoo responsible yoyu nonu.
The big business.
But I thought at the end of that your statement, you said you issue receipts to them.
Nena wa sula dege wanga fi ne yaw ya de joxe receipts.
Wa ma de bela receipt ko ñom amu receipt books.
Yes, I do issue receipts to them because unfortunately they don't have receipts.
Now how will you collect on my behalf, issue receipts on my behalf, and yet still you don't have a record of those that you have to visit and collect monies from?
Nena kon lolu nakala wara neke yaw sama fa yaw ya de joxe receipt yaw sama fa yaw lañ de yoni nga dem di joti xaliss bobu nena kon nakala lolu wara neke ba para yaw do am bu bi nga xamne pour nga bind fofu nga wara recorder ñi nga issue receipt ak ñi nga jot xaliss ci lo setlo
waaw ñom suñu bindé naka sa invoice dañu do authorize because everybody nga am sa own area bo am ne bo mo responsible.
Whenever they write invoices, they notify it, and each of them have a area where you are entitled to.
Wow, so they get big business that fall on your area. You know, you start to save pare. So why you go fair? The ball nga bina ko receipt. So bine you ga joko TR number bi mo enta ko any system. But mo serve invoice.
When that big business falls in your jurisdiction, normally you are the one who serve the invoice, but you will instruct us to go and visit that individual and collect the revenue there.
Now my problem is accountability.
Now
the manager or the deputy, if they issue an invoice,
then a manager will issue an invoice,
and then you give the money to who?
I go to the cashier, make payments, and I am issued with a receipt.
And then?
From there, I proceed to audit the check and make ticket.
Who serve invoice da ko jox TR number bi mo suma receipt book bi TR number pour mu enter ko anak ci invoice bookam bi.
From there I go to the person. I go to the person who instructed me to enter the TR number into the system.
So those people, the final person that you gave those TR receipts to, do they have a cash book?
Nena TR receipts ñi nga xamne ñi nga leen dé jot dañu ñu seen bop am nañ cash book.
No, no, cash book.
No, they don't.
Now who would record that cash?
Then a cash book can go there.
Cash book that TR number be.
The TR number.
Yeah, TR number be. Manager be munga system.
The manager is
a system on me fufu. Everything system on me fufu.
Now if that invoice was issued by the deputy.
Now second invoice will deputy be more issue.
Same the deputy old system system.
Yes, it's working the same. The deputy to have a system, whatever he serve, he enters that system.
If I can get you right,
then
you collect the money, issue the receipts, take it to the internal auditor for verification,
internal audit through verification,
or to the principal cashier. But none of you would enter it as in your cash book. But you are depending on the manager and the deputy to insert it in their own whatever spreadsheet you call it.
So issue any receipt mandama my own cash book.
I have my own cash book.
Enter in the cash book.
Any receipt that I issue, I enter it in the cash book. After payment,
from there, madam audit, you verify my GTR, my cash book.
After payment to cashier, I proceed to the audit for verification.
Yeah, then from there, madam most of invoice.
Then from there, I go to the individual who served the invoice and give him the TR number.
Still, there is a gap in this explanation, and the gap is who reconciles your cash book with the monies that you have received from these big companies that are within your zone.
Then I can cash book bi nga xamne xaalis bi nga xamne bi nga doy jot ci business yu nekk sa zone bi.
Manager bi daf doy check suma book bi almost daily.
The manager
check mu di contract.
The manager used to check. The manager used to check my book daily to see to it that whether what I have paid is exactly compared.
So you are recording in a separate cash book as opposed to the one that you issue invoices to.
I have my own cash book. Any monies I collect
in that cash book.
I enter that cash book.
So that includes the big businesses within your area.
Business area.
Wow, because mama issue receipt.
Yes, because I'm the one who issued that receipt. Those receipts.
No, you are getting me confused.
Then
what about those that the invoices were issued by the manager or this deputy, and you issue them with receipts. Is it that because you issue them receipts, you insert them in your cash book?
Nena business bi magi nga xamne manager bi wala supervisor bi mo len jox invoice bi nena yow ya day joxe receipt nena dal receipt yo da ko ne bind tam ci sa book bi ne yow ya joxe receipt te ya jot xaliss bi tamit ci sa cash book bi
loolu la explain dama ne receipt mom mu di binda
any receipt
man dama on cash book dama ko rek enter
I write at staff I have my own cash book
ñu payment or ma own payment la dama ma cash book wala day enter fofu
for their payments or my own payments is all entered in my cash book as far as I'm the one who issued the receipts.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Mr. Ba?
Yes.
Were you also part of the people that were receiving the 1% commission?
Nena 1% commission. Jafale bi nga xamne dañu dé def KMC 1% commission. Nena bokk nga ci ñu ko day jot.
Wow, dama ko doon am.
Yes, I was.
And you were receiving it from your manager, Kemo Fati?
Kemo Fatajo, sorry. It's not Fati, Fatajo.
I have seen it in your statement that it's Fati, so but...
Then typing error,
that is typing error, it's Kemo Fatajo. Nena, don't go to 1% bonus, Kemo Fatajo.
Wow.
Yes.
Now, when you receive these monies, do you sign any document?
Nena, so you have to sign.
Wow, then just sign.
Yes. We do sign that we have taken it.
Okay. Do you have any loans with KMC? Aside from 1/6?
Sulu 1/6. That was not
loan with KMC.
No, I don't have any loan with KMC.
Any form of support?
No.
Do you have any other income aside from your main job?
Yes.
Business.
I'm not business.
I don't have business, but I have younger brothers who traveled and they
support 100%.
They used to support me 100%.
So as they support, do you have any business, or at least are you investing it in anything?
Nena legi nga ne dañ la day jappalé nda xaliss bi am nga fu ko duggal fu safara bu na liggéey xaliss wala am nga business?
No, I'm a business.
No, I don't have any business.
Okay. Now, do you have properties?
Nena am nga ay kër.
I'm a kër.
I have no compound or property.
Now you can. How many banks are you banking with?
Nena ñata bank nga nekk di bank?
Salary account la am.
Only current account.
And is which bank?
Bank.
Eco Bank.
Eco Bank.
Now you can provide your EcoBank account details to the registrar before you leave.
Mone legi lo war moy nga joxe registrar bi sa EcoBank current account details. Registrar bi.
Unless any of the commissioners have any question for this witness, that will be all for this witness.
Thank you, Mr. Ba, for coming.
Thank you, ma'am.
But before I release you to go, you have said you do a daily collection. I could recall that you've told the commission that is trade license that you work under, right?
Trade license.
Let me put it this way: that you collect rates, you collect revenue from trade license.
But collect trade license from business people.
Yes, I do collect trade license from business.
Is this trade license not for yearly collection?
Then a trade license,
yearly collection.
Yes, that's correct.
So how do you go for daily collection when these are yearly payments?
Then a lady, you some of our leral ganeli at the atla, then a con young service bune coming out and then digit level, Nakala.
Daily collection, who mean for more than from Monday to Friday, I go to the field.
What
the whole day.
What I mean, every Monday to Friday, I go to the field, but it depends. Sometimes you go for the whole day, you can't have any collection.
Yes. So does that indicate that you do go to collect the people that have not paid for the year? That is the arrears.
Then hal bi nga xam ne wala revenue bi nga xam ne da nga ko jot bés bu nekk daa ñoo xam ne ñu ngi la amee bor wala naka la.
No, hamga zone bi do fa nek ñaari every year they change a zone. So at the starting by January they job a new area.
So normally every year we used to
every year they job a new area.
Every year you are changed to a new area.
So new area so you have first start. You go there with your invoice book, that serve at the business you are supposed to serve, then you follow up by.
So normally when you are posted at a new place and you have your invoices, the first thing you do, you go around to serve the invoices, then from there you follow up by collecting the revenue from them.
So do you have both the arrears list and the new invoices you issue out?
Nena legi so demé place bu es nda dañ la dé jox liste bi nga xamné ñi nga xamné ñoo leen amé bor wala yow da nga continuer di collecte li nga xamné lolu mo war pour nga collecte si bi nga déwé fu
area bi areas su fa nek mostly big businesses ñoo di amé areas te ñoyu su amé areas su na dañ jé bind all areas parce que naka su mëna jabi dañ jé jox police you dem the follow up for areas.
Normally what we do collect, we don't have areas. Areas happens at the big businesses, but when it happens, it is written and it has been passed or they do pass it to the manager.
Thank you for the clarification. Thank you so much for coming. We have asked you to bring certain things for us. So please endeavor to bring what we have requested. And try and get the 18 and 19 cash books. So you are discharged. If we need you to clarify anything, we will call you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Mr. Witness, welcome to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters. What is your religion?
Muslim.
In which language do you wish to make your testimony?
Wolof.
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation? Okay. Madam Chair, the witness wishes to swear by the Holy Quran. Hold the Holy Quran and repeat after me. I, Modu Drame, do swear that I'll speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness to for us to proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Drame.
Good afternoon.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Council, can we proceed?
Yes, thank you very much. Please state your name.
Saturasa Santa.
Modu Drame.
Modu Drame. My name.
What is your address?
Fodeka.
Bundung.
Bundung, I reside.
You recall giving a statement to the investigators?
Then I'm going to have statement. See, investigators.
Wa joy one statement.
Yes, I do.
We will show you a copy of your statement. Please go through it and identify or tell us whether there's a statement that was obtained from you.
Statement.
Yeah, this is the very statement.
We apply to turn the statement of the witness, Modu Drame, into evidence as an exhibit.
The witness statement of Modu Drame, dated the 1st of July 2024, is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit, and it is marked as LGC/MD in brackets 1/KMC/001.
As Commission places, you work as a license collector for KMC?
As license collector, KMC.
License collector.
Yes, I am a license collector.
When were you appointed or employed?
March 1997.
March 1997.
You have your appointment and confirmation letter?
Then I'm going to appointment letter. Yeah, I have a confirmation letter.
I'm a confirmation letter. I'm not appointment letter.
I don't have a confirmation letter, but I got appointment letter.
Were you confirmed?
Then I confirm you.
Send me file.
It was search of the file, but it was nothing was seen.
Now, do you know whether you were confirmed?
No, jotuma letter.
No, I did not receive any letter.
Thank you. Can I please see your employment letter? We applied to tender the offer of appointment letter from Carnival Municipal Council to the witness Modu Drame. That is 4th of March 1997, signed by Ibrahim D. Jobate for the Municipal Clerk KMC into evidence as an exhibit.
A letter dated the 4th of March 1997 with reference KMC/ADM/staff. The letter is from Carnival Municipal Council. It is addressed to Modu Drame, Bundung KMC, with the subject offer of appointment. It is signed by Ibrahim D. Jobate for Municipal Clerk, and it is copied to the Chairman KMC, Treasurer KMC, and it is also further copied to EDPC. I guess it's a department at the KMC. This letter is admitted as an exhibit in evidence and it is marked as LGC/MDIS in brackets 2/KMC/002.
As the commission pleases. Now, Mr. Drame, what is your highest qualification?
GCE O level.
GCE O level.
Now, as a licensed collector between 2018 to 2023, which zone or area were you?
Then I was a licensed collector. 2018. Bedao 2023 for Fadline station wala for nega ban bor nega
2023 my one Old Joshua.
I was at Old Joshua last 2023 last year.
2018.
2023.
Now I want to know 2018 where.
And I like mula 2023.
Nima gina muna fateleko sima commencé comme last year delu gana lula muna gina gawa fateleko.
Okay.
Well, that I can remember is where I started last year to go behind. That I can remember.
That's fine.
2022 my own pipeline Carnival.
2022 I was at Pipeline Carnival.
No.
Will you not have this? Go ahead.
Dama fatina yeneen zone si de unless check si records rek.
I don't remember the other zones unless I check out the records.
Will this be contained in your cash box?
No, cash box.
No, cash book si duñ ci binda zone bi nga nekk.
No, we don't write zones on the cash book.
But I mean, with your recordings in your cash book. Will that not refresh your memory?
Then I'm by also said help.
No, somebody will check Mugina Urda because I'm out.
Yeah, because I take out, so I don't want to tell you something that is not certain. So I need to go back and check.
That's understandable. Do you have your cash books from 2018?
Then I have a cash book with 2018.
Yes, I have 2018.
I have 2018.
2020.
2020.
21.
21.
22.
22.
23.
23.
You have 2018.
Then I'm at 2018.
Wow.
Yes. You don't have 2019.
Then 2019 I'm alone.
No, said na ko ci records if you go guide den jawaji suma ko.
I check it at the records where they are normally kept, but unfortunately I could not trace it.
But you have 2020.
Well, I'm not 2020.
I'm not 2020.
Yes, I do.
You have 2021.
I'm not 2021. Yes.
2022.
Yes.
Yes.
And 3 as well.
Yes.
Yes.
May we please have this cash box? We apply to tender the following cash books. From the witness 2018, (2020), (2021), (2022). You are 2022.
Yes.
and 2023 into evidence as an exhibit.
The cash books maintained by the witness are admitted as follows. They are 4 in number. The cash books cover the period 2018, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. These books are admitted in evidence as exhibit, and they are marked as LGC/MD in brackets 2/KMC/003. Mr. Bojang, are you listening?
Yes, very well. Then I will I'm like to you, I'm like new bylang because I documents while I getting and then go solo, so you know I take my issue.
Okay.
Number one, which in 2018 to 2019 you were paid to the bank? Money that you collect?
2018. 2019 has been hamne wala lampa bi nga xamne jot nga ko ci loxo nit ñi da ko reew ci bank
wa amna digante bo xamne dañ doon fay ci bank bi de.
Yeah, there was a time when we were paid to the bank.
And what is the
xamna ni bi 2018 la nak way xawma kañ la start ak kañ la jeex.
So that I know it was to remember exactly when does it kick off and the time of when it stops.
We have had witnesses that will say or give evidence that in 2020 was the year that you were given instructions to take money to the cashier.
Nena amna ñoo xamne ñew nañ fi bala nga ñew fi ñoom amna ñu bari ñi nga xamne wax nañ ne 2020 lañ stopon di yowu xaalis bi ci banque bi légui ñu door di ko yowu ci cashier.
Wa man lima mëna fatale ko moy amna rek way mënuma wax time bi de.
Yes, for me what I can remember, yes, it does happen, but I can't tell exactly the time.
Now, which bank were you making deposits to? After you have collected revenue?
Jamana bi nga xamne dang ko ndi yow ci banque bi ban banque nga di demé?
Suma mënu fatale fo na mega bank la moy bank bu nekk fi Gamcel nekk non.
If my memory serves me well, I think it's Mega Bank, just near Gamcel.
Near which?
Gamcel.
I understand Gamcel they have several branches. Is that the case?
Then I saw Gamcel branches in Bury.
The headquarters in Gamcel bi nekk Kanifi.
At the headquarters, Gamcel headquarters at Kanifi.
Mega Bank.
Wow.
Yes.
Do you have the account?
Then I have an account.
No, I have an account.
No, I don't have the account.
Will that not be in your cash book as well?
Then I don't have a cash book.
It
may be possible it's there, but I can't remember exactly.
We will give you a 2018 cash book because then you would have had your bank payment slips, your deposit slips.
Then I saw like 2018, but then I have bank slips it never fail.
Deposit slips it and go around your cashier.
I was giving the deposit slips. I used to give the deposit slips to the cashier for receipting.
So you would not know the account?
Then I can't have account. No.
All right. And so at some point, but that's the only bank you use?
Then a bank will recognize what you have. That is the bank I can remember because it's near me.
Were you at any point also giving money to any of your seniors or supervisors?
Then I'm jamana ngamne halas binga do jot sulu ni nga joko sa bossi sa senior wala sa manager.
There is
no.
All right. You have tariffs for the areas that you collect.
I'm got tariffs. See area ngamne you nga do jot lepp.
Pour li ñoo liggéey ndax am nañ tarif.
Nena wa nga am ngeen tarif.
Waaw ñu ngi am tarif.
Yes, we do.
Will you be able to provide us with?
Nena mu nga ñu isi wala mu nga ñu jot tarif yooyu.
Tarif maa ngi àndal mu suma book bi mu suma bag bi.
Yes, I got one in my bag.
We can give him time to.
All right, thank you.
We can give him, yes.
We will give you a few minutes to.
Nena when I like you just certain minutes.
Yes,
for
yes. You can go get it. Good, okay.
Bag bi suma bag bi.
Yes, you have it with you currently, sir?
Yeah, I have it.
May I please see it? We apply to tender the License Act Amendment of Second Schedule Order 2019 with respect to the tariffs into evidence as an exhibit.
Wow.
All right.
A legal notice number 20 of 2019 being the License Act is the amendment of the second schedule order 2029 is hereby admitted in evidence and marked as LGC/MD in brackets 2/KMC/004.
As a commission places. Now you will strictly go by the tariff, correct?
Yes, we used to follow the tariff.
You have a license register for the area?
I'm a license register, see area
from 2018 to 2023.
2018 to 2023.
2018-2019 system laga indi won way system bi doxuton de.
There was a system brought in the year 2018-2019, but unfortunately the system doesn't work.
What kind of system?
In a system, manufactured system now.
Come inputting with through internet.
That all the puttings will be done through internet.
And who will do that?
Then I can more of the flow, I can more of the flow.
You collect to yourself.
You will collect to yourself.
So why was that not effective?
Then I let alone not how?
No, because Legally, da nga nekk daf mu jox la time out, so guys gis ne system.
Sometimes we'll be on the process and it will give you time out.
So ñu gis ne system bi doxut, so later 2020 bi ñu indi Excel bi.
So we realized that the system doesn't work. Then in the year 2020, the Excel was brought.
Okay, so you have the records for 2020 moving forward.
Then doge ko 2020 bo am ngeen records ci demé ci kaw.
Wax na suma tegee ci records yi rek.
Yes, I think if I check the records.
So input da nga denca manager bi dañ ko jox manager bi pour mu denca ko. So mun naa check ci system bi comme li input.
All the inputs done will be kept at the manager's office. So I will try to check the machines so that I can get them right.
But then the manager will have the license register for all the license collectors.
Yes.
Then why manager bi dina am register yep ci license collectors yi.
Wow.
Yes.
Now the invoices. Then we'll ask the manager, the invoices. You stated in your statement that the license manager or deputy manager would issue invoices to big businesses. Is that correct?
Dina wax nga ne sa line manager wala sa supervisor dina moo day joxe business yi nga xam ne business yu mag yi moo leen day jox seen kii. Dina daal dëgg la.
Well, in most cases,
yes, in most cases.
And in other cases?
In other cases?
Legally, your collector, I'm not in a big business area for this stuff.
Yes, there are certain businesses, sometimes you, the collector, will serve them.
Where will you get the invoices?
Then the invoices, for the invoices, you in the serve.
No, so one invoice, but we legally madam plus, no call.
Yes, your own invoices. Sometimes you go to a place, you call and ask whether I can be able to do so. He says, yes, come and serve.
So you are also given an invoice book?
Then I can your invoice book.
What my invoice book?
Yes, I do.
For every year?
Then Advonega.
Well, every year?
Yes, every year.
Now, how is this recorded? And who will issue you this book?
Then Katmola Kodo, Fatka Kode Binde, or Nakanga Kode Binde.
Understand?
Then I see, can more than job, receipt, invoice you.
Invoice books, accounts, nobody.
I get it from the account.
And then you sign for it?
Then I don't go to sign.
Wow.
I do.
Now, the managers, when they issue out invoices,
then the managers issue invoices.
Do they collect revenue as well, or do they leave the revenue for the collectors to go and collect?
Manager bi, assistant manager bi, supervisor bi, suñ saafee invoice, collector bi nekk ci Zoom bi moo dee bind receipt bi.
When the manager, the assistant manager, the supervisor issued an invoice to the big businesses, it is the collector who is responsible for that jurisdiction to issue receipts.
Have you ever had a situation where the manager will issue an invoice and collect the revenue?
Nenanda musta am jamano wala am na jamano nga am ne manager bi dina joxe invoice bi pare mu dal di jël lempo tamit. Da day am
non man li ma xam daal su saafee invoice dafa dee call ne ma place sangam dañ bugg a fay dama nga bindal leen receipt.
All I know is that whenever he serve an invoice, he will call me to say that area they need to pay, so go and serve them a receipt.
And the receipts you will serve them will be exactly the amount in the invoice.
Then I can't family receipt being invoice being checked before
because man suma demee invoice bi daal di njëkk a laaj pour xam exactly ñaata amount moo fa nekk.
Yes, whenever I go, the first thing I do is I ask the invoice to know the amount exactly inside there.
Do you normally pay through check or cash payment?
Then pay with the husband like they join wala they join check.
Am na ñuy fay cash, am na ñuy fay check.
Some paid cash, some issued checks.
All right. Have you ever been audited as well?
Then I am audit.
Well, some colleagues every day dama yóbbu audit pour gay check ko.
Yes, every day I do collection, I go there for audit.
And when you start going to the cashier as well, have you always been audited?
Then jamana wi ngam ne door nga di dem ci cashier di fay fofu da tamit dañ la di audit.
Wow.
Yes.
If there are other questions for the witness, we will plan to call the witness after assessing his documents.
Mr. Drame, can you use the invoice books?
Then I'm going to invoice books.
2018.
2018
to the end of our mandate, which is
2018 May 2023.
Well, mun I large accounts finger falling down by invoice books.
Yes, I can be able to ask the accounts where we used to deposit those books.
We are requesting that
Nena-
you endeavor to bring the book.
Ni nga buga pour nga isi ko do ko bind si kayit pour nga bañ a yoxate
Thank
yépp
you.
li nga xam ne dañ la ko laajte tak
Do you have the register for the businesses?
nena am nga register si business yooyu
waaw moom laa manage dinaa laaj manager bi because normally dañ ko dee jox revenue business register.
yes that's what I have said
So
that
please also
I will
bring
ask
in
the
the
manager
business
because
register.
they used to keep them nena boobu tanga bind ko
From 2018 to 2023.
from 2018 to 2023
Thank you so much.
kono jërëjëf si sa ñëwaay bi
Mr. Drame, you are discharged.
Okay.
Yes, we will call you back if we need to after looking at the books. So
Okay.
please endeavor to bring the books by Wednesday next week.
Next week. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Welcome to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters.
Thank you.
Mr. Witness, what is your religion? Can you speak louder so that everybody can?
Islam is
Okay. In which language do you wish to make your testimony?
in English.
Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation?
Swear by the Holy Quran.
Madam Chair, the witness wishes to swear by the Holy Quran. Okay, hold the Holy Quran and then repeat after me. I, Lamin Samura, do swear that I'll speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness for us to proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Samura.
Yes, madam. Afternoon.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Council Union, please.
Sir, can you please tell us what your name is?
My name's Lamin Samura.
Lamin Samura.
Yes, sir.
Your address?
Serekunda, London Corner.
Samura, you work for KMC, Cardiff Municipal Council?
Yes, sir.
Since when?
Since 2008. 3rd March 2008.
You were employed as a license collector?
No. I mean, I was enrolled as a market collector.
Market collector.
Yeah.
But do you have your appointment letter?
So,
Were you confirmed?
no. I didn't receive any letter about the confirmation.
Any confirmation? Do you know why?
No, I don't. Not to my knowledge.
Okay, may we please see your appointment letter?
Okay, sir.
Do you have the original with you?
Pardon?
The original letter?
Yes, I mean, I have the original, but there was a fire outbreak in my house.
Yes.
So I lose the original.
All right.
So I went to the HR to make this copy.
Yours is believed it is different from the termites as well.
Thank you.
But we applied to tender an offer of appointment letter, 19th of January 2008, addressed to one Lamin Samura.
Samura, yeah.
The witness, signed by Dua O Jata for the data of administration, into evidence as an exhibit.
A letter dated the 19th of January 2008 with reference KMC/ADM/055 from Kanifing Municipal Council. It is addressed to Lamin Samura, Serekunda KMC, with the subject offer of appointment. The letter is signed by Dua Ojata, Director of Administration. It is copied to the Lord Mayor, KMC, Acting Director of Finance, Internal Auditor, Market Manager, IT Manager. The letter is admitted as an exhibit in evidence and it is marked as LGC/LS in bracket 1/KMC/001.
As the Commission places. Mr. Samura, I have a few questions for you.
Thank you.
I will probably be requesting for some documents from you.
Thank you.
And after which we will apply that you will be released or discharged pending any further communication to you.
You're welcome.
Do you understand that, sir?
Okay.
You recall giving us, you have state cash books that you work with?
Yes, sir.
As a revenue collector?
Yes, sir.
From 2018 to 2023?
Yes, sir.
Can we please see these cash books? Do you have 2019 as well?
Yes, all are with me, sir.
All right, thank you so much. Mr. Samura, the registrar is reminding me that this is the first time that we have a witness who produces the 2019 cash book.
Okay.
Mr. Kamara. 2018. We apply to tender the following cash books from the witness. The cash book for 2018. The cash book for 2019. 2020. 2021, 2022, and the year 2023 respectively. We apply that they be admitted and marked accordingly.
Six cash books maintained by the witness covering the period 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023 are admitted in evidence as exhibit, and they are marked as LGC/LS in bracket 1/KMC/002.
As the Commission places. You recall giving a statement to the investigators, sir?
Yes, sir.
We'll give you a copy of the statement.
All right, sir.
And you advise us whether that is the statement that was obtained from you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, these are the copies.
Do you confirm that?
Yes, sir.
We apply to tender the statement of Lamin Samura. The date is 1st of July 2024. It's been identified by the witness into evidence as an exhibit.
The witness statement dated the 1st of July 2024 made by the witness, Mr. Lamin Samura, is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit, and it is marked as LGC/LS in brackets KMC 2022/004.
As the Commission places. Mr. Samuel,
Yes, sir.
do you recall the zones that you have covered from 2018?
Yes, sir.
Would you be able to provide us a list?
Pardon?
Would you be able to give us a list of the zones that you've covered, or do you have it on top of your head?
The zones that I covered in 2018.
From 2018 to 2023. But you were first a market collector.
Yeah.
And you were moved to
license, yeah, in 2018.
Yes, I see that they needed experienced collectors, and then you were part of the collectors that were really redeployed.
So,
which year was this?
2018.
2018. So, and which zone?
Talinding left. Talinding left.
Talinding left.
Yeah.
How many zones are in Talinding?
Then it was 2 zones.
And now?
Now I think 3.
Now 3. And these zones are? Do you have Talinding left? Do I want to say Talinding right as well?
Yeah, there is Talinding left and Talinding right.
Okay, I'm correct.
In Talinding left, you have 2 zones there.
All right.
Yeah, the one start from the buffer zone end towards, just about, I think, the Johnson goes to, the new concrete road.
Yes.
Yeah. So where Talinding one stopped, then you have Talinding 2.
Okay. So Talinding left has Talinding 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Then you have Talinding right.
If my memory can say.
And that will be 3 zones. And you were there for how long?
Almost, I think, this was in 2018 only.
2018.
Yeah.
Only in 2018.
Yeah.
In 2019?
I was moved to Bakau.
Bakau.
Yeah.
For how long?
From 2019 to 2019 January to December.
In 2020?
I was moved to Serekunda West 1.
Serekunda West 1. That's 2020.
2020, yeah.
And you are still there?
No.
For how long?
From January to December.
December. 2021?
To Latrikunda Sabiji.
Latrikunda Sabiji.
Yeah.
2022?
2022 Bartes 2. Sorry, Bartes 1.
Bartes 1. 2023?
2023 in London Corner 1.
Now, these registers as well will be with the managers.
Sure.
Right.
Okay, but at the third quarter, every third quarter, he used to provide us a register. I'm having one with me here.
Okay.
So whereby all the names of the collectors and their respective zones will be there. Plus
every third quarter?
Yeah, every third quarter, yeah.
Okay. And this is given to all the licensed collectors?
Collectors, yeah.
Can I please, thank you for that information. Can I please have the register?
This is one sample for 2024.
Yeah. Okay, this is the sample.
Yeah, this is the sample.
But would you go ahead, sir?
This is the sample, how he used to do it for every quarterly.
Quarterly. So you will be able to give us all the registers that you are given.
Well, until and unless I went to the office and search for it.
Yes, please.
Because these are just copied and placed at the table. Anyone who has interested, you can pick one and go with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then the managers will have.
Yeah, so he will have it. Yeah. He also have these records.
And it also has the target as well, the annual target.
So. Okay, but I don't have that.
So for instance, you were at Bartes 1.
Bartes 2, yeah.
Okay, let me have this admitted first, and then you can guide us through the information.
Thank you.
We apply to tender a sample of the quarterly register. The heading is annual target versus collectors as of 30th April 2024 into evidence as an exhibit.
A sample of the annual target versus collections as at 30th of April 2024 from the witness, presented by the witness, is admitted in evidence as an exhibit, and it is marked as LGC/LS in brackets /KMC/005.
As the commission places. Would you be able to guide us through this sample?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Unfortunately, we only have one copy, Madam Chair.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Every quarter, the manager will provide such thing like this, and every collector's name will be there, plus your target, your annual target. So anything collected from that first quarterly will be presented, and the percentage, the variance percentage left will be there too, so that you can know exactly, this is what you have collected. Though it will be in your cash book, because the information here, he get it through the cash book. Each collector has a cash book, and every end of the month, the supervisors will take the cash book and collect all the transactions and the money paid and write it on the cash book. So every week we do give our report to them. So that's what he used to compile and have your target for every month and quarterly, yearly too. So this is where he got this information from.
So the target, if you can come back to that.
Okay.
Just please give the document to the registrar for it to be photocopied quickly. So the target, can you please make that very clear? How would they know that the target, for example, Baptist 1, you were in Baptist 1?
Yes.
At one point. The target for Baptist 1 in a particular year, let's say, for example, is $4 million. How would they know that this is the target for Baptist 1?
Okay, the way he make his target, that one I cannot say much about. But to my perception, I believe maybe, for instance, I was in Baptist 1, I worked $4 million. Maybe the following year he will add 500 to it. So I believe this is the way he used to make his target. That's my perception. I don't know whether exactly that how it is going.
I asked that because in your statement you talk about assessment.
Yeah.
The last assessment was done in 2019. 2019. What assessment are you referring to?
Okay, this was this was an assessment. Licensed collectors were not involved. I think they hire people outside, and they went throughout KMC to assess big shops and other businesses within KM. And this assessment was given to the shopkeepers. So as a collector, when you come, you just go by that assessment invoice and, give the person's license if he paid. So that's what I know on that. That was in 2019.
In 2019?
Yeah.
So, yes, we'll allow the commissioners to have the... Now, for instance, if you have collected in Butters 1, let's say 2 million going by, do you have a document? Do you have a copy?
The copy exists with me.
Going by this sample, you have the names of collectors, and you have the names of all the licensed collectors, correct?
Yes, sir.
The first on the list, we'll take that one as an example.
Yeah.
Is it Absatu Kiru?
Absatu Kiru, yeah.
Zone is Butters 1.
Yeah.
The annual target is $4,500,000. Now, the collection as at 30th of April is $2,179,650. Now, that was a 48% collection. Now, the arrears or the outstanding balance, that will be marked as arrears?
No, because this is the first quarter of the year.
Yes.
Yeah, so the collection continues. So every quarter there will be a report too, similar to this one.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how it goes up to the end of up to the last quarter of the year.
So up to the last quarter of the year, then you can now mark that as an area.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Any questions?
Thank you very much, Mr. Kiru. This is an administrative question that I'm asking. You said you joined the council in 2008.
Yes, sir.
As a market collector.
Yes, sir.
We are in 2024.
24.
You have not received any confirmation.
Letter, yes, from the council.
And you are still working.
So.
Now, what level is your salary as of 2024 as opposed to the one that you were given in 2008?
My recent salary, you mean?
Yeah.
I'm at grade 9.3.
And what did you start with?
I start with grade 3.
Grade 3, and now you're in grade 9?
Yeah, sir.
So it means you must have been promoted.
Sure.
You don't have any promotion letters?
So I have them with me.
Okay, can we have them? But also what I wanted to know is if you are not confirmed, how can you be promoted? I'm just asking. I'm a novice in this.
Thank you. Well, for that case, it is up to my knowledge because I don't know the reason why I'm not confirmed or given a confirmation letter. I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Mr. Samura, from this sample annual target document that we have admitted, are these the full markets in KMC?
Full market?
Are these all of the areas and the zones that the license unit collect?
So, yeah, these are the total
number.
Yes, as of 2024.
Thank you. I believe it is a convenient point to stop. Are you done with the witness?
Yes, it's Madam Chair, done with the witness.
So, were you also paid, the 1% commission?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And thank you for coming, Mr. Samura.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes, and please endeavor to bring us, I think it's the register from 2018 to date.
No,
you gave us a sample.
Yeah, we don't keep this register.
You don't keep them?
Yeah, these are with the manager.
With the manager. And who is the manager?
Kemo Fatajo.
Kemo Fatajo. He's currently the manager.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We will call you when we go through your documents.
Thank you, ma'am.
If we have any reason to call you to clarify any issue.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
For coming. You are discharged. You may rise.